This is a supplementary video for the Technology Basics picture book, created by my friend and yours, Tech Wizard Mike. In this video, we will be double-clicking and triple-clicking the left mouse button to select text in a document and on a web page. You can double-click a single word to select it. You can triple-click, knock, 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 anywhere within a sentence to select it. If you wish to do so, you can single-click anywhere outside of the selected text to deselect it. We will conclude by triple-clicking, knock, 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 inside a paragraph of text on a web page to select that paragraph.
Here is a double mouse click, knock, knock, and a triple mouse click, knock, knock, knock.